Namaste. My name is Prateek, and this video will be talking about a tool called Wispr Flow. So, Wispr Flow is a tool which will help you automatically transcribe your words into text, and it will also manage edge cases of when you stutter and if you're saying something which you don't want to say, but it will automatically kind of infer what you want to say. So, let me just tell you how it works. Let's say if I could just come to a tool where there's an input box or where there's a place to type, I can just say the effects of AI after 4 years in politics, science, and arts. So you saw how efficiently it just transcribed and how fast it did. Now let's say if I have a few bullet points. Tell me the context of number one, politics, number two, science, and number three, arts. You saw how the transcription tool automatically made a very nice prompt for your Claude. Now after that, I can press enter and it automatically Claude will automatically do its magic. And now coming back to Wispr Flow, now you see that it also keeps a history. You can copy it, or you can try retrying, or you can also add to the AI edit, and you can also download the audio. Now coming back to notes, you can have a few notes in here. And yeah, now this is a very cool feature. Let's say if I say by the way anywhere, it will automatically pick BTW. You can set up your vocabulary. And then there are snippets as well. Let's say if I say personal email, then it will automatically pick a personal email, the snippet which you have set here. In my case, it is user@example.com. So these are a few cool features of Wispr Flow. Now, even in Google searches or in your browser, you can just say top 7 places to visit. And it'll automatically put that in your Google search and you can just press enter. And yeah, so this is it. You can check the pricing here, but it's almost free. 2000 words are free. Even after that, it's a lot free. But yeah, if you need to just go ahead, then you can also choose the pro plan. So it's a very cool tool with a few cool features and it's really fast and it has been really effective as well. So that's all. Thank you. We'll meet in a new video. Thank you.